Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Thoughtful. Thoughtful means absorbed in or involving thought. For example, brows drawn together in thoughtful consideration. Brows drawn together in thoughtful consideration. Synonyms: pensive, thinking, reflective.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The tone of delegates interviewed afterwards was thoughtful and reflective. Now, repeat after me. The tone of delegates interviewed afterwards was thoughtful and reflective. The second exempli. He turned out to be very passionate, articulate, enthusiastic and thoughtful. Now, repeat after me. He turned out to be very passionate, articulate, enthusiastic and thoughtful. The third exempli. Will the new parliament be equally thoughtful and reflective in response? Now, repeat after me. Will the new parliament be equally thoughtful and reflective in response?
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word bookkeeper, along with its associate bookkeeping, is the only unhyphenated English word with 3 consecutive double letters. Other such words, like sweet-toothed, require a hyphen to be readily readable.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.